Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Hill, and what we're going to do in this video is be planting our own bean. Now I have got, the reason we're doing beans is because we're looking at Jack and the Beanstalk and how the beanstalk grew and grew. So for that I've got some broad beans, and instead of using a pot, I have got a pot. However, if you can, we're going to be using a glass jar, and I'll tell you why. So I'm going to put the pot to the side. If you don't have one, don't worry, we can still use our pot, but I'm going to use a glass jar, broad beans, some tissue and some water. So let's see if I can. Here we go. See that a bit better. There we go. So got some tissue. These are 4 things that we need. So what the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get some tissue and take some off, and I am going to fold it. My jar is quite small. You can use a bigger one if you want to do lots of beans. You can use any type of bean that you like. It also works with peas, so try that one out as well. And it doesn't have to be, you know, any bean that you've got. Try it out. So all I'm going to do is roll this and put this inside, just like that. And I'm going to get some more. I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I'm going to roll it to make sure it just fits inside the jar. And then what I'm going to do is one more piece of paper, tissue paper, scrunch this up and put this right in the middle, and just pull these sides down, just like so. It's got lots of tissue in there. What I'm going to do now is get a bean and put it on the side, just like that. Get another bean and put it just there. And get one more. I'm going to put it right in the middle. And what this is our bean experiment. And what I'm going to do is I've got some water here. You can just use normal, anything to water with. And what you're going to do is make sure that you put plenty of water in. There we go, it's all going now. There we go. What we're going to do is every few days check this and keep watering it, making sure that the bean is moist. The tissue is there to keep it moist, and hopefully we will see this bean sprouting very, very soon. I want you to try this, and hopefully in the next few weeks I will be able to show you what it looks like. So I shall be sharing that video with you, and see if you can try this at home. And the reason to use a glass jar is because you will see the actual bean sprouting, which is really good because you'll start seeing how it grows, and then we can transfer it into one of these pots. I hope you really enjoyed that. Take care. Bye bye.